mold appear.
Yes.
Understand?
Grow.
Yes.
grow.
여러분들 죄가 자라지 않게 하기 위해서는 어떻게 해야 될 것 같습니까? 여러분?
How do you grow up sin?
You hide it. You hide. Hide in the darkness.
When you are not in the light, sins grow.
Grow. Yeah.
If
No
we're
light.
not repent,
Miguel,
얘기하구나.
what do you say?
The sin grows if there is no light, or we are not in the truth. There is no light. There is no truth because of we are in darkness.
How mold
죄가
In the dark.
죄가
The flourish ang mold ang sin sa darkness.
mas lalo
how do we